This is part 4, measuring 3 marbles of the volume lab for the data table. So I've refilled my graduate cylinder to about 30 milliliters. I'm going to put 3 marbles down into the graduate cylinder now, trying not to splash any water out. You can see how much one caused it to go up. There's 2. And there's 3. So it went up quite a bit. Let's take a look closely. Reading from the bottom of the meniscus, how far we think it went up. Remember that you can see the long line there for the 30 milliliters. This is the long line for 40 milliliters. This middle line right there is for 35 milliliters. Each line is 1 milliliter. So we're going to count up and try to read from the bottom of the meniscus what we think the volume is. We're going to try to be as accurate as the nearest half of a milliliter. So if it's in between lines, we're going to say that's like, something and a half milliliters. If it's right on the line, we'll say that's exactly that amount of milliliters. This is part 4, measuring 3 marbles for the volume lab. Please record your data. Tell what the volume is for the liquid and the marbles in the first column, third row of the data table. Subtract the beginning volume of 30 milliliters in the second column of the third row, and then you're able to give the amount of the actual 3 marbles together volume in the third column of the third row.